My office today, behind me you can see New Caledonia, the southern portion, and we have left port about 6:45 this morning, which is way down behind those buildings over there. And there's the main part of the city down in there, and lovely, no sun, really good being out here without sun and having to wear hats. Now we've created a bit of a problem though. So here we have the beautiful new jib. We've just got enough wind, we're motor sailing, and she looks great, but I love the cut of your jib, but now we have a newer problem. Nice looking boat, 15 years old, but she looks good. Now we have one problem. This. Now we've actually managed to get it flat-ish, the main today, and we tried it with a reef and it's baggy, but it's just not quite looking up to scratch. It's strong enough, it's already been, this sail was actually rebuilt before we left Brisbane, and the sailmaker said the jib was fine. Well, I'm not sure that's the entirety of that story. And then down here we have actually officially on this vessel, master in training.
Good morning.
Jeffrey, master in training. Your first time leaving a foreign port?
Correct.
And who's that beside you? What is he in training?
This is our deckhand in training, Ori.
And his ears are attached to his head?
They certainly are.
And he's a lovely guy?
He is. All indications are that the information is sticking in there.
And no seasickness?
Up to now, nothing.
Because somebody told you to take a seasick tablet yesterday.
Yeah.
Oh, that's wonderful. You'll do fine. Okay, have a good trip, fellas. So there we have it, and look at the cut in that sail. I can't wait for 15 knots of wind and in that to see how she sets. Bye.